The Election Tribunal hearing the dispute arising from the June 18 governorship election in Ekiti State has adjourned hearing following the non-availability of INEC witness. The tribunal chairman, Justice Wilfred Ochi, adjourned the proceedings till Thursday, October 6, after counsel to the petitioners. Obafemi Adewale San raised an objection to a fresh application from the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC. The commission had raised a fresh motion on notice to set aside the subpoena issued by the tribunal or the witnesses from INEC. Adewale was not happy that INEC waited till late Tuesday evening to file an application that the witnesses would not appear in court on Wednesday. Counsels to all respondents in the petition opposed the request made by Adewale. Counsel to Biodun Oyebanji and Mrs. Monisade Afuye Latif Agbemi San countered Adewale, maintaining that the tribunal should have gone ahead with other witnesses. Fagbemi said the whole essence of knowing the list and sequence of witnesses is for the tribunal to prepare for them, adding that everything done before the three-member panel must be in the interest of fair hearing and justice. Counsel to the All Progressives Congress (APC) Akin Olujimi San agreed with the submission of Fagbemi, saying since the petitioners have chosen to proceed in the trial, they should be diligent in making available their witnesses. Olujimi emphasized that the pre-hearing report stipulated giving fair hearing to parties and the processes must be fast-tracked in view of limited time to hear election petition cases. Counsel to Mai Malabuni Umar Abdul Hamid kicked against what he called the attempt by the petitioners to vary provisions of the pre-trial report, insisting that petitioners must come by way of application. Abdul Hamid said all parties in the petition are bound by the provisions of the pre-trial report, maintaining that the reason given by the petitioners was not cogent enough. But the tribunal, in a short ruling read by Justice Bochi, said it had partly allowed Adewale's application and ordered that the hearing of Wednesday's witnesses be stood down till a later date pending the outcome of the said motion. The panel held that the order was given in view of the window provided in the pre-hearing report that where a good reason is advanced, a sequential hearing order of witnesses should be ordered, saying proceedings shall continue on Thursday, 6th of October. Lead counsel to SDP Segun Onitim Adewale and lead counsel to Oyebanji Fagbemi spoke with journalists after the day's proceedings.
On behalf of the petitioners, we called our first witness. He has finished giving his evidence as the state chairman of the SDP. And of course, we are also expected to call the INEC witness today. But INEC brought a motion which we understand to mean that they do not want to come and give evidence. But that motion has not been taken.
The petitioners are unable to go on with their case because they were not adequately prepared for what transpired in court. Cases slated for today could not be attended to. The witnesses, they had submitted to the tribunal that they will call. They were not able to call them. So they now wanted to venture into those that were slated for tomorrow. And of course, that will go against or went against the order of the tribunal earlier given. And that was why the tribunal had no difficulty in refusing the application in that regard.
The SDP governorship candidate, Chief Segun Oni, and his deputy, Ladi Owolabi, were present at the tribunal. Kyle Dadigbili reporting for Puff TV News at Ekiti.
People of the Fountain.